Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Make.com scenarios using AI for lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Make.com scenarios using AI for lead capture, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your scenarios. Identify the specific scenario you want to verify for lead capture. Click on the scenario to open its details. Review the triggers and actions configured within the scenario. Ensure all lead capture elements are correctly set up to capture necessary information. Next, integrate an AI tool that processes lead capture data. Popular choices include OpenAI for text processing or other AI solutions that fit your needs. Set up the AI tool by following its specific integration guidelines. Link the AI tool to your Make.com scenario under the Action step. Configure the AI tool to analyze the captured leads based on your criteria. Now, create a test lead in your lead capture form. Submit the test lead to trigger the scenario. Monitor the scenario execution within Make.com to ensure it runs without errors. Check the outputs from the AI tool after the lead is processed. Verify that the AI outputs match your expectations based on the lead information submitted. If discrepancies arise, revisit the scenario and AI configurations for adjustments. Run additional test leads to confirm consistent functionality. After successful verification, finalize your scenario settings. Save any changes made during the verification process. Document your findings and any adjustments for future reference. You are now equipped to efficiently verify Make.com scenarios using AI for effective lead capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.